بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Dear our students, welcome today with our new lesson of our English course. Today, inshallah, we will study together a grammar lesson of Unit 1. Today, inshallah, we will study a grammar lesson of Unit 1. I want all of you open your student's book. Open your student's book, page 14, grammar lesson. Let's go to start our lesson today. Middle one, culture, healthy eating. Unit 1, we are what we eat. Lesson 4, past simple and past continuous tense. Past simple and past continuous tenses. Okay. Now, let's go to start with past simple. Past simple. Yes, a form. Statement for regular verbs. We use the base form plus ed with all the pronouns. Okay. You must keep in your mind with regular verbs. If you want to get verb 2, you can add d, ed, or ied with regular verbs. For example, I walk to school. On the other hand, with irregular verbs, don't follow this rule. Okay. For example, she called the bus to school. Another example, he drank 3 cups of coffee. You must keep in your mind, there is a list of irregular verbs on page 148 to 150. What about negative statements? All the time, with all pronouns, we use didn't plus the base form to make negative statements. For example, I didn't walk to school. Another example, she didn't catch the bus. Now, when can we use past simple? We use past simple to talk about facts that took place in a specific moment in the past. Okay. Yes. Now, very important point, time expressions with the simple past. In plus date, like here. For example, in 1992. Another example, 30 years ago. Especially, we speak about the word ago. Yesterday, last year, last month, last summer, and etc. Okay. Yes. We already spoke about affirmative and negative. Okay. Now, questions and short answer. We use the auxiliary verb did plus the base form with questions and short answers. For example, did you walk to school? You can say yes or no, yes I did, or no I didn't. Okay, we already know we use the past simple for actions that happened in the past, completed past action, repeated past action. And now, past continuous. Okay, past continuous. If you look at this photo, you can see the forming of past continuous. Past continuous consists of subject or pronoun plus was or were plus verb plus ing. With was, you can use I, he, she, it, and singular plus verb plus ing. On the other hand, where with we, you, they, and plural. Okay. Okay. Yes, we use the past continuous for an action that was already happening at a particular time in the past. Okay. Yes. If you want to make a question by using past continuous, start your question with was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus complement. This is called yes or no question. If you want to answer, you can say yes or no. Yes or no. Yes, we use a past simple of the verb be plus the ing form for statements, questions, and negative forms. Okay. My neighbors were chatting in the street. What were you doing yesterday afternoon? Negative forms, I wasn't watching TV. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, look at this. Were you watching TV? Was he playing football? Yes, we were. Or no, we weren't. Yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. Okay. And now, we use the past continuous for activities which started before the main action. We use past continuous with past actions or events in progress. And now let's go to see this exercise with these extracts from the listening text and fill in the blanks with or the form of the verbs in brackets. Yes, I will give you 1 minute to thinking carefully, and I will take your answers. Hurry up. Yes, take your time. Okay, let's go to see the answers together. Last week was a school holiday, so I woke up late every day. This morning, when I got up, my family were having breakfast. My mother and father were talking, and my brother and sisters were drinking tea and eating bread and cheese. My mother made me. I bought the last loaf of bread in the shop. Paid and left while I was walking home. I met two of my neighbors. They were standing and chatting. There was no one at the table. I sat down, cut a slice of bread, and reached for the cheese. And now, my dear students, let's go to study the last point today. How to place adjectives in order. First, maybe someone asked me, Mr. Muhammad, what's the meaning of adjective? Yes, you must keep in your mind. Adjective is a word that we can use to describe something or someone. Something like cat, dog, home, pen, and etc. And someone like Muhammad, Ali, Fatima, and so on. Okay. Yes. If you want to rearrange the adjectives, you start with opinion. Number two, size. Number three, age. Number four, shape. Number five, color. Number six, organ. And number seven, material. Opinion like beautiful. Size like large. Age like young. Shape like round. Color like brown. Organ like rich. Material like wool. Yes, you must keep in your mind when two or more adjectives are used in front of a noun, they are usually in this order. Okay. And now complete the phrases with the adjectives given. Make sure you put the adjectives in the correct order. Let's go to see your answers. Yes, A, got, and building. Gray, round, and small. Yes, put these adjectives in the correct order. Exactly. A small, round, gray building. Excellent. Now, B, a vase. wooden, beautiful, and blue. Put these adjectives in the correct order. Yes, exactly. A beautiful blue, wooden. C, a gap man. Athletic, tall and thin. Exactly. A tall, thin, athletic man. And now, my dear students, let's go to answer this exercise about a grammar lesson. I want all of you open your workbook, page 6 and 7. Let's go to see the answer together with this video.